Right, good morning, welcome back. Now, this here mudguard comes in 4 pieces. You've got the steel section at the back, there's a moulded plastic section in the middle that allows things to be slotted in and connected to it. Further down there's a little rubber flap that allows movement between swing arm and frame, and that is connected to the swing arm with a little metal strip that's riveted in, and that's busy rotting its way into oblivion. Now today I'm going to pull all this off, strip it apart into its separate component pieces, take all the paint off of this, all the scale underneath, and also the rust off that little piece underneath, do a little bit of rust treatment on it, stick it in the blast booth and get it nice and clean, and once it's all treated get some nice protection on it so it can sit there and wait for the final build. But before I do any of that, I'm going to weld up these excess 3 holes in the mudguard that I don't need and then grind them back nice and flat, so that is now completed and finished in full. So let's make a start. Right, there we are, a fantastic result of which I'm extremely happy. Fantastic, I really enjoyed that. A lovely finish out of the shop blaster, but that's not what it's about. This was about strengthening up this back end. The eagle-eyed metalworkers amongst you out there would have already pointed out in the comments, I'm quite sure, that I did that all wrong. I should have cut out that holy piece of steel, thrown it over my shoulder and welded in a nice virgin piece of fresh metal. And if you're patch paneling a car or a truck, then exactly that's what you do. But in this instance, I wanted to strengthen this up. These little ridges, things like this, they give strength and durability. So as you saw with the little patch panel, I used a 2-socket trick. Hope you enjoyed that. Hope you can use that yourself. And that gave the panel that I put in behind a lot of strength, so it's not likely to bend. Put it inside, welded it on the outside, I welded it on the inside, and now this bolts through 2 thicknesses of 1mm steel, nice and strong, and hopefully that will resist cracking and fracturing down the line. So doing it the wrong way, if that's a way to put it, that's giving it more strength hopefully in the future. Just a way to look out for it. Now, that lovely shiny grey metal finish you get out of the blaster, doesn't it look lovely? But it won't last. 8 hours from now, that will start to get a bloom of rust on it. So I've got some etch primer coming, and I'll get all that coated up, ready for the next video, and we can start on something else further down the line. Then that's it. Thank you for watching. Take it easy, ride safe, and I'll see you next time.